Hello! In front of me I have HamaFit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the HamaFit Pro application on our phone. In the app you should see the home page. Then tap on the device icon right here. Now scroll down and at the bottom you should see the unbind button. Tap on it, then tap on unbind again to confirm. Okay, as you can see, the watch was unpaired, but to be sure, you can open the settings on your phone. Tap on connected to open the Bluetooth settings. And in the Bluetooth settings, make sure that the HamaFit is gone from the list of devices. If it's not, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget device and tap on forget again to confirm and disconnect the watch from the phone. Okay, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.